Okay, this is in and out of the raindrops, but that's the rear transmission mount right there, just disintegrated. You can call me Mr. Swing It. And started raining a second ago. Now I need to take that up to the front. Get that on. My transmission chain thing won't work. We'll slide up under here real quick and I'll show you what I got down here, and then we're ready to start moving this transmission around. If we can, I don't know if we can, but I couldn't get the chain and all that on it, or the side pieces. Couldn't put those on there. Greasy. Where the hell is my rag at? Nothing in here to wipe grease off with. Absolutely nothing. Damn it. Okay, well, I have a choice. It's either hurry up before that hits me, or that hits me over there, or that hits me over there. I'm in the Bermuda Triangle, by the way. But we are pretty close. Let's get this right here. Right there. And lay that right there. There you go. Yeah, just call me Mr. Swing It. See? Alright. There you go. I put plastic on the end of my drive shaft because I don't want it getting all buggered up with rust and shit, and I don't want no bugs getting in it. But I need to change that and get the one that doesn't have the extension on it right there. But as you can tell, it's pretty much done. So I got 2 bolts to be able to move this transmission now. One on the top and one on the side. And I'm going to take that strap and I'm going to run it around the plate. I know everything's upside down, I'm sorry. But the transmission mount plate, I'm going to take that strap and run it across the transmission all the way underneath that plate right there and strap it down really tight so that I can roll this thing back and forth. I only want to roll it back about probably 4 or 6 inches if I can get that much out of it. Just so I can get that plate. And we'll look at that in a minute. There you have it, guys.